Hey everybody, it's Ms.E here, and I'm going to show you how to use the Moerae Automatic Curling Iron. This curling iron goes in two directions. You can go forward or you can go backwards. You're just going to push these arrows in the direction that you want it to go. And there you have it. It comes with these alligator clips, which come in handy for holding really long hair. You're going to just slide it in the slot, push the arrow, and there you have it. You're going to wait till it beeps. Then you're going to release it. Look at that nice, beautiful curl. It also comes with 3 heat settings. I'm going to use the highest, which is 428, because the hair is very thick and very long. And I'm going to slide it in the slot. Push the arrow, wait till it beeps, and another beautiful curl. Listen, you don't even have to worry about the hair getting tangled, because one of the nice features about this curling iron is that when the hair gets tangled, or if the hair gets tangled, it is going to automatically go in the opposite direction and release the hair. Yes, I tried to get it tangled on purpose just to see, and it works exactly as I said it. You want to make sure you don't use a lot of hair. I would suggest, especially if this is your first time, probably about an inch thick of hair. You don't want it to be too thick, otherwise you won't get a nice defined curl, but you want to make it probably about an inch wide when you are curling the hair. Oh yeah, and you want to use some type of holding spray and curling, or some type of curling cream, in order to make the curls last longer. It's just going to make it so much more easier when you're using this curling iron, that hours after you curl the hair, you still have the long lasting, beautiful curls. If you're interested in purchasing this curling iron, please click the link below and you'll be given the discount code. And here is the finished result. Look at those beautiful curls. Just check out the back. Love it.